Get to know the YouTuber in 10 seconds.
Name, Snowen. Age, 20. Occupation, unemployed. Did you know that Snowen was once Ireland's strongest man? Wow.
Oh my god, would you look at the time? It's 2:30. Luckily, we've got the Abe Lincoln 12s and we're about to make a madness. I'm thinking we get the, I don't know the technical term, this bit and this bit. We leave the swoosh and we leave that little like mid-sole bit because that looks fresh. That's not a mid-sole, don't worry about it. And I think it'll look fresh. I'll show you the design. Geez, this will evidently switch to the other camera that I have. That's an interesting turn. Keep that. This feels like an infomercial. This feels dead serious. We're going for something like this. For example, I'll do like a little black outline of something, and then I'll fill in these larger black areas and kind of just go around with the yellows, kind of like a highlight. Whoa! So I need to make sure I can actually do thin lines, or this is gonna look honkin', absolutely honkin'.
I'm a scientist, and I know what's best. Creative juices. That taste of success. But don't just take my word for it, listen to the customers. Ha ha ha. Minor side effects include loss of sight. Get your creative juices today.
Creative juices, they're tasty good. Creative juices, they're waterproof. Creative juices, they come in fruit. Creative juices for me and you.
Exactly 3 o'clock, bang on the dot. Perfect time. I'm gonna take a little sip out of this guy. Not me.
Nah, what you doing?
Now, I think you need to like that for like 2 hours. That's really not good to do at 3 in the morning, is it? Let's see if there's a quieter way to do that. Let's do Flower of Scotland.
I'm a scientist. Have you ever wanted to break the sound barrier? Graffito, brought to you by Sport Life. Woo! Don't just take it from me, listen to our amazing customers.
That's pretty decent, yeah.
What are you waiting for?
Get your feeto on a graffito. Get your feeto on one now.
So I did a little bit of shaking off cam. I think I'm gonna need to take a little bit of juice after that, because my goodness.
Mate, you're gonna regret that.
Mate, that's solid looking. Looks a bit like me if you ever get the chance to see me. So we've got red, we've got blue, we have yellow. Oh, that actually looks like a nice yellow. We might be in for a treat. We have black, and then last but not least, let's hope that it's actually come through. Let's hope that it comes through. Let's try and... I couldn't tell you, mate. That could be white or that could just be a clear pen. Shoes. Man's gonna wear them regardless. Right. Let's roll up, let the rollie come out, and get to work. Okay, so initial feeling is that's not awful. That's very much doable. That looks clean. Whoa! For example, this looks a little bit like Bart Simpson. So now I'm just gonna kind of roll with that. Maybe put a little, oh, you know what, now I can get Homer Simpson on that. Easy. I was gonna do a whole like masterpiece bit, but I think we just go for it. I'm not really one for, you know, measuring stuff up. I'm just gonna be like, let's blast it in. We get this on the Abe Lincoln 12s. It's gonna look clean. That's the plan. It's very tiring. It's 2:30, you know, anything could happen. How's it gonna look? What a mess! Okay, already off to a bad start. Glad I checked the camera before I continued, or that would have been very out of focus. I thought I was gonna have some witty comments for you guys, but I'm genuinely just scared. And I pray that these are waterproof because I have some sweaty hands and I best believe I'm gonna smudge that. Just like I smudged all my exam papers. Relatable meme? Thank you.
We need some professional help.
Actually looking kind of fresh. Hold up. Hey. The black and white does look pretty fresh. Oh. Luckily I did judo for 10 years and I know how to land. Otherwise I would have died there.
I'm a scientist. The night before, a card game that tests the age-old question. Can I do it the night before? Find out more from our customers.
Whoa, hold your... My money doesn't wiggle wiggle, it folds.
Ha! The night before. Can you get it done in time?
We're gonna risk it all and put the yellow in. It's looking fresh so far. I kind of think I know what I want to do for the next part, but let's get rocking and rolling. As I'm sure you saw from that last clip, I almost died, which was pretty funny. My goodness, it is late. It is 6:44 on this watch, but on the iPhone 5 it is 5:42. We've got this guy, give him another sip. Get away from me, you dafty. Oh, mate, it's true, it does hit different in the morning. I think we've made quite a madness, to be fair. Well, it may have taken a long time. We finally made it. Jeez, mate, these look clean. The amount of fine detail, I'm glad I went for the yellow. I think it looks pretty cool. I like the detailing as well on that thread, it just looks so nice. Yo, how do I style these fresh shoes? Let me show you. How to wear the style, and then he looks so vile.
Sorry, I need those reports by Monday.
What?
Name, Terry, the investment banker. Age, 27. Occupation, investment banker. Did you know Terry once won 2 prizes in a claw machine? Wow.
Hey, I'm the guy to call.
Name, Blue Demon. Age, 37. Occupation, Lucha Libre. Did you know that Blue Demon once was the inventor of Blue Demon milkshakes? Delicious.
I dreamed a dream that could look this good. Name, Susan Boyle. Age, 47. Occupation, vocalist. Did you know that Susan Boyle is a close relative of Charles Boyle from Brooklyn Nine-Nine? Link sausages, get your link sausages. Name, Link sausages. Age, 59. Occupation, butcher. Did you know that Link sausages was one of the first men who coined the phrase sausage fingers? As if I need to introduce myself. Name, Andy Murray. Age, 16. Occupation, tennis guy. Andy Murray, these shoes are the perfect fit. You are the 100% match. Obviously, look at them. I look great. £1.50, mega sale, mega sale, wake up, please wake up, mega sale. Just my normal Air Forces, nothing weird. Nah, drink from me one more time and see what happens. Real talk, it's like 8 in the morning and I haven't slept and I've been putting toy guns on water bottles. Jeez. What's that? Mate, that's a sound of success because these look wavy. These look so clean. Mate, these turned out so well. I'm thinking next time I'll do like a little like tote bag design or something. I know some graphic designers that are very talented. You know who you are, so could be a little collab on the horizon. Peace out. You know who it is. Snowing, and I'm really tired. Hey, I hate to be that guy, but please subscribe, smash the like button, do all that stuff. Merci beaucoup. I'm trying to create a whole little community here, so if you got any ideas, I'm always happy to hear them. Hey, you know I may have 6 subscribers, but I'm still the same guy. Who knows, when I get to 10 it might be different, but you know, hit me a message if you got some ideas for some collabs or something, I don't know. Keep it fresh, you know who it is. Just vibe out to this weird ass music I've created.